Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I just came across Amazon Watch Party, which is a service for Amazon Prime subscribers, and essentially it allows you to watch a movie or TV show together with a group of people in real time. And if we look at this page from Amazon, it basically describes the process of setting this up. So essentially, you need to be an Amazon Prime subscriber. And if you are, you can select a movie or TV show, and there will be the normal play button and also a watch party button. So you click the watch party button, you enter your name, and that creates your watch party. And I guess you can kind of think of a watch party kind of like a Discord channel. Where you can send someone the link and invite them to participate. Because you can basically share the watch party link with up to 100 people. So you and 100 people can all tune into this TV show or movie in real time. And basically, you as the admin have control over the movie. You can start, you can pause, you can skip forward, you can rewind. And then everyone in the group has a chat box, so you can all chat in real time about what you're watching, which is pretty cool. So if I flip over to another tab, I've got this movie that I'm hoping to watch soon. It's called Slow Ride Home, where a bunch of 8 people who are in like a scooter club right across the United States in 11 days on 150cc scooters, which sounds really awesome. So I've got the Watch Now button, and then I've also got this Watch Party button. So if I click this, it takes me to Watch Party. I'm gonna call this Rob's Party, right? Create Watch Party. And essentially, here's the movie. It's ready to go. I can play, rewind, fast forward, turn on subtitles, change the audio settings. And then basically I can copy this link and send this link to whoever I want. And then when those individuals tune in, they'll be able to chat with me in real time, and we'll all watch the movie in real time. So this is a pretty cool new feature of Amazon Prime video streaming. I haven't actually tried it yet. I just found out about it today. So it looks like it's pretty easy to set up, and assuming there are no major tech issues, like if one person in the group has a slow internet connection, I'm not really sure how that's going to affect the experience. Like, is playback going to be delayed on their end and then in real time for everybody else? That's probably what will happen, but I'm not entirely sure. So I'll have to play with this a little bit, and certainly I'll update you all when I figure out the details and nuances of the service. But if any of you have used Amazon Watch Party, throw a comment and let me know how it is. It is in beta, so I assume that there's going to be plenty of issues with it. But let me know if you've used it. Let me know if you've had a good experience. And that's all I've got for you today. So thanks so much for tuning in. As always, hit that subscribe button. I release new tech tips every weekday at noon. And check out thedae.com for our full list of online workshops, private lessons, and online summer camp. And if you have an idea for a tech tip you'd like to see me create, throw it in the comments and I'll do my best. Thanks and have a great day.